The milonga is pretty much like tango in that it follows the basic código de tango. You have walks in ones and threes. The man dances around the room, the lady dances around the man, and the creating and taking of space. You already know that your milonga is preparation. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. A very good exercise is to divide each of these into threes. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then go to the next step. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the next step. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1. Practice that and you'll get very, very good at being able to mix your ones and threes.